Hi guys, so basically I'm going to be showing you what I'm packing for Southeast Asia. I have a feeling that I probably missed a lot of stuff because as I look at what I've kind of placed out so far, I feel like a lot of things like, I don't know, like I feel like there's something missing for sure. So basically Chris posted last week his video for packing for South Asia, so I'm going to show you mine. I believe he kind of mentioned like I might have a different point of view because I am a girl. I don't know, we'll see how that is. Yeah, I think I kept my stuff relatively simple. I'm looking off to the side because everything's kind of behind me, so yes, basically I was just trying to say as I placed everything out here, I feel like a lot of it, I don't know, maybe I don't know, I'm a girl. You're gonna see like makeup and you're gonna be like, what the hell, you're going to Asia, like you're not gonna need makeup, it's gonna be so hot. A lot of my friends have already told me that, but I don't know, I want to be able to look good at sometimes. So this is everything that would be inside my bag. So basically right here I have my little underwear packages, so yeah, just like my general like undergarments. Here I have my face wash and just general like, you know, skincare, facial stuff, as well as like my toothbrush and just general hygiene. And then here I have some of my makeup. This is my brushes in this one. This is all my makeup. So it's like not a lot. It's like the minimal. I know someone's gonna judge me on here because I have like, I'm talking about minimal, but I got like the Fenty Beauty and I got like the Shape Tape and my Anastasia Dip Brow, but honey has to do what she gotta do. Anyways, so general stuff over here is going to be just my clothing and such. So here is some of it. This is just, I guess like a little towel. It's supposed to, I don't know, it's one of those towels that it's supposed to like be able to keep you a bit, it doesn't dry out, like it dries out really quick essentially. So I have like a little dress, and then these are like mainly like my tops and stuff, just like the light wear. Here I have like capris, and I have some like dressy little thing if I ever want to dress up. And then here I have shorts, a skirt, and I also have tights, and I have some activewear pants. So I'm generally aiming for probably going to be wearing like a light shirt and some activewear tights. So that's kind of what we got going on. Sorry, I'm using this whatever this thing is called, this motion thing. Anyways, that's kind of what we got going on. I feel like I missed a bunch of stuff. I don't know, like I feel like everything I have here is just like I'm missing stuff. Like I know for sure my shoes aren't gonna be shown here right now, but they'll be in the bottom of the bag. Yeah. So now what we're gonna do, well, what I'm gonna do, I guess, is I'm gonna try packing everything in my Mountain Warehouse bag. It is Peru and it's 55 liters, so that's actually quite a lot. Most people I've seen, or well, from the videos Chris has shown me, is some of the people, they tend to do 30 to 40 liters, but we're extra out here, so we need a bit more space. You guys can't really see, but it is super like spacious, so they got this. I guess you can roll it down a bit. That's what we're gonna do. Yeah, so you roll it down, and then I'll just stand up. Let's see if I can show you guys. But it is fairly deep. So you have, I can't show you, but let's see. There is like a little laptop kind of pouch going on here. And there is a way to get to the bottom. So let's just see. Yeah, so I don't really know. Okay, what we're gonna do first maybe is I'm probably gonna do like the package stuff. Just because, I don't know, it's like a nice base, and then like everything's packaged at the bottom. It just makes sense, right? So generally, I've been warned that you just have to dress like presentable. in the sense that you're just you're covered up in all the right places. Again, like I don't dress too extravagantly where you can see everything, so I'm not too concerned, but I have been told that even something that in the Western country you may feel like, oh, this is like totally fine to wear, somebody else may not respect that the same. So just always be aware when you're traveling, just like any restrictions on, like, I don't want to say clothing, but just like things in general, just always be aware of that, okay? Right now it is about 3/4 full, but if I squish it down a bit and I go back and like try to refold it, I'll probably have, I don't know, I would say a little bit more than half, because right now it does look a bit bulky just because I just wanted to show you guys just a general idea of my packing. Again, I feel like there are things missing for sure. Like the more like I looked at my stuff like out, I'm thinking like, I don't know, like I think clothing wise, like I kind of hit the mark. Like I do have very minimal things. I have about like, I don't know, like 4 bottoms and maybe like 5 shirts. But then again, like there's certain things that are different for girls, right? So that's the other thing I have to take into consideration, is just general like hygiene for girls while I'm away. Because girls, they do have their time of the month. So I did like pack a few extra things just because I don't want it to get messy while I'm away. You know, I want to be comfortable, right? So that's the other thing too, is just, you know, making a list, maybe just figuring out like what you think would be required to pack and then crossing it off. Chris and I, like, we've tried doing that. Again, like Chris has kind of done his own packing and I've done mine, and I guess like in the next few days, well, after we release the videos, we'll see what people suggest. But yeah, like that's generally what I have packed right now. That's kind of like where we're at right now. So today, by the time like we post this, it will be like 5 days until we leave, I think. So like we're getting pretty close to it. Yeah, so we do really appreciate your support. Unfortunately, Chris is at work right now, so he just couldn't make a quick appearance in this video, unfortunately. Yeah, again, I just really want to thank you guys all so much for keeping in touch with us. And if you guys do have any comments or suggestions, just please leave it in the comments below. That was dumb.